Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will compare the Tentacle Track mic that you get with it to the rodelink mic. It is on my Rode Wireless Go, but it is the mic that comes with the rodelink. So I think it's around 60 to 100 bucks. I'm not exactly sure which mic they have. I'll post it here if I find out exactly which mic it is, but it is a fairly expensive mic. It's not a cheap mic. And just to let you know, I haven't applied any type of EQ on the audio files that you're gonna hear. The rodelink lavalier mic is around $100, 100 euros. And some say that the Tracky lav mic is a Sennheiser ME2. And if that's the case, we're getting a really good deal. Because apparently it looks like it and it sounds like it. At a first glance, you would think that the rodelink mic would be much bigger, but it only looks that way because of the foam part. If you take off the foam, you will see that the Tracky is 3 to 4 times thicker than the rodelink mic. All right, so let's do a few tests. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Duncan Dimanche, and today I want to talk to you about the Tracky. All right, so let's do a few tests. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Duncan Dimanche, and today I want to talk to you about the Tracky. And we're shooting with 32-bit float on the Tracky. So I can raise my voice as much as I want, and my neighbor is gonna think that I'm crazy, but if I do that or start laughing super loud, I can just bring the level down. So I can raise my voice as much as I want, and my neighbor is gonna think that I'm crazy, but if I do that or start laughing super loud, I can just bring the level down without any worries, because this Tentacle Track E can do that with 32-bit float without any worries, because this Tentacle Track E can do that with 32-bit float. Speaking normally again, most likely it clipped on my rodelink. So now I'm going to put the two mics on the Tracky and listen to the difference coming from the exact same recorder. You're now listening to the rodelink mic on my Tracky. I'm going to do the same sentence again. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Duncan Dimanche, and consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't done that already. All right, so let's do a few tests. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Duncan Dimanche, and today I want to talk to you about the Tracky. All right, so let's do a few tests. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Duncan Dimanche, and today I want to talk to you about the Tracky. The one thing that I know for sure already is that the gain from the Rode mic, from the rodelink, is much higher. I don't have to raise the gain as much as I would on the Tracky mic. Obviously, it doesn't matter as much because you're shooting in 32 bits, but it's always better to have a mic that can pick up the sound easier, where you don't have to push everything up. All right, so now I'm going to speak in a very low voice, just to show you the possibility of bringing up the gain back in post. Let's say that I'm someone who doesn't speak super loud and I'm just very shy, so I can go from this to or that. All right, so now I'm going to speak in a very low voice, just to show you the possibility of bringing up the gain back in post. Let's say that I'm someone who doesn't speak super loud and I'm just very shy, so I can go from this to or that, and it wouldn't be much of a problem because you have such a high dynamic range, you can just bring the level down or up as much as you want. But you already know that if you're watching this video anyway. I plugged in the Track E mic right now on the Rode Wireless Go, and it is not exactly the right fit because it doesn't screw in, so it might be not usable at all. If that's the case, I'm not even going to show you this footage, but this is just for me, and the bells are ringing right now. And that's it, guys. Hit the like button if you did enjoy this video, and let me know in the comments below which mic you like better. If you think that the Rode is nicer, or if you think that the Tracky's mic is plenty good enough for any type of interviews or YouTube videos like this one. And also let me know if you like the colors better of the X-T4 rather than having the S7S3 that I've shot the last two videos with. I think I really like the colors of the X-T4, and it's a super tempting camera. I just wish it had a headphone input mic. You have to go through USB-C. Anyway, talking enough already, but I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. And here's how you use 32-bit float files. You have to use an external software to be able to raise or lower the gain without adding noise floor. Because if you drop in your 32-bit float file directly into your editing software, it will read it as a 24-bit file, most likely. And I have found this WavePad app that is free if you don't want to pay the license and you don't have access to all the tools, but for what I need, just raising and lowering the gain, it is perfect. So you can raise the gain on the whole timeline, or you can just click and drag a section that you want to raise or lower the gain. The gain here is shown as percentage or dB. So very simple, straightforward. And once you're happy with your timeline, you can just click on the right side of the save logo on top and click save as and choose whatever bit file you want to save it as. 16, 24, or even 32 if you want to. And that's it. Throw that into your timeline and you're good to go. Now that I'm done editing this video and I've listened to plenty of footage of the two mics, I'm going to tell you my thoughts on which one I like better. And to put it simply, I think I like the Tracky sound better. My initial thoughts was right away, oh, I like the Rode sound better because it was deeper, it had a bit more bass. But if you really listen to it, it does sound a bit muffled compared to the Tracky, which is crispier. So I think it would be easier to add bass to the Tracky if you think it's too high, but it would be harder to add crispiness to the muffled sound of the Rode. But I could be wrong, and if I am, let me know in the comments below. Let me know which one you like better. It would be very interesting to know your thoughts. Sorry, I thought I was done, but one last thought. Do not use the Tentacle Converter app. It is the beta version, but it does crush your original file to an unusable file. The export does not work, so do not use it. If you want to test it out, make a copy of the original file. Otherwise, you will lose that original file.